Shannon.
I'm Emily.
I'm Julia.
And we're with Red Cedar Real Estate, and we are here today to talk about Emily's first 30 days in real estate. As her mentors, me and Julia have really been focusing on building that strong foundation and making sure that she creates the right habits so that she can be successful for years to come.
It's so important to focus on building the business from the very beginning because you can't worry about the contracts and all of the monotony of a real estate transaction until you have those amazing people to work with. So it's been really awesome watching Emily grow her foundation from the very beginning.
So Emily, what has been your favorite part from these first 30 days?
My most exciting accomplishment is getting to work with clients already so early in the game. I'm working with clients in all different sorts of situations, financially and what they're looking for. So I've been just learning a lot about the anatomy of a real estate transaction.
What's been probably the hardest part of the first 30 days?
The hardest part of my first 30 days was stepping out of my comfort zone and reaching out to those in my network and letting them know I became a realtor. But the good thing is that from that, I got a lot of business. So, I guess that really wasn't the hardest thing.
And people loved hearing from you, didn't they?
Yeah, it was really cool. I really got to connect with a lot of old friends and, they shared how happy they were for me. And it's been a really great ride so far.
It's so awesome. What are you most excited for your next 30 days?
I'm most excited to see a whole real estate transaction through. Now that I have a good foundation of where to start, I'm really excited to dig right in and see what happens.
It is really easy to get caught up in the transactions and wanting to make money right away, but without that strong foundation and really strong support system around you, it can be a little bit difficult to either get into production or stay into production.
So when you're looking to get your real estate license, more than the real estate class or your commission structure or the monetary values, focus on finding the right place to call home, the right brokerage, and the right mentorship from the very beginning, because without that, it is very hard to succeed. So we're so excited for Emily, and we can't wait to see what she achieves over 2019.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.